Hello YouTubers, welcome to my channel. This is Pasco Andres, and this video is about my 2012 Toyota Camry. This video is mainly about your engine vibration if it ever happens to you. The problem started after I changed the alternator, so if you did that, so I'm gonna show you what the problem is. Before, I was running the engine with a bad alternator. My battery was draining down, it was going down, it was low charge, and after I put the brand new alternator and I cranked it up, my engine was shaking a lot. It was shaking a lot that I got scared that I needed to pay more money to get it fixed. The problem that I saw, which was that since the battery was low, and whatever the battery has, it's what the alternator is using, and it's not enough to run mainly most of the stuff on the car, mainly the engine. It was vibrating. So consider what I consider is just charge up your battery. Charge up your battery. I don't know how long you can charge it, but in my condition I charged about 4 to 5 hours or even more. I charged it and I cranked it up, and it did go away a little, and I keep charging it a couple more hours and it totally went away, because whatever was the battery has, it was what's using the alternator. So right now I'm gonna do a quick test on the battery. Just make sure when you guys check your battery, make sure you have some type of device. This is a multimeter. I bought it at O'Reilly for $40, so it was necessary. So right now it's showing 12.48, which is normal. The alternator already captures everything, already has everything, but before, it was down and it was struggling before. So last time my battery was showing 12.92, and when I charged it up, it was showing 13.2, 13.5, and now it's all good. So if it happens to you guys, just make sure that try doing this, and this will help. So that will save you a little couple of bucks. So thank you for watching my video, and have a nice day, everybody.